In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails on Hotmail. Whether you're trying to avoid spam or simply don't wish to receive emails from certain senders anymore, knowing how to block emails can save you a lot of stress and keep your inbox clean. Let's dive right in and make sure you have complete control over the emails you receive. First things first, navigate to the Outlook login page. Outlook is part of the larger Microsoft 365 suite, so you can either visit the Outlook homepage directly or access it through Microsoft's main website. Once you arrive at the login page, click the sign in button usually located at the top right of the page. Enter your email address and password to access your Hotmail account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage. This is where you can manage all of your emails, view your inbox, send messages, and more. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click on Inbox. Your inbox is where all incoming emails land, making it the perfect starting point for blocking unwanted messages. Now, scroll through your inbox until you find an email from the sender you want to block. If your inbox is full or it's hard to locate the email, use the search bar at the top to type in the sender's email address or the subject line. Once you find the email, click on it to open. With the email open, locate the three-dot icon, typically at the top right corner of the message window. These dots indicate more options. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. Look for an option labeled Block, click on it, and your account will automatically filter out any future emails from this sender. Keep in mind that blocking an email prevents new messages from that sender from appearing in your inbox, helping you efficiently reduce clutter. You can also report the message as spam for extra filtering if needed. Remember, regularly reviewing your blocked senders list is a good habit, especially if you ever need to unblock someone in the future. Blocking emails on Hotmail with these steps is simple and effective. Managing your inbox in this way ensures that you only see messages that truly matter. With these instructions, you can maintain a clean, organized, and stress-free email experience. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful digital management tips. See you next time, and happy emailing.